Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Xbox 360 E-Lite Drift Fix into the E-Lite controller. This one is different than my standard Drift Fix kit just because of all the extras they have in here. So this one's real simple in comparison to the Xbox 360 one. So it basically just goes like that, and we're just gonna solder it down like we did in the other one. Might want to add some solder to this. You can just apply heat, and the solder on the bottom should make a decent connection, but I like to add solder. And now we're going to hit the top. Because this is paper thin, it's good to put something with like a little bit of pressure as you heat it. This way it will be as flat as possible. And once the solder solidifies, like we just did there, it'll hold the PCB down while we add solder to the other points. That's pretty much essentially what we need, is just the 3 points on each side. But if you want it to be mounted a little bit more secure, you got these other solder points here. You don't need the two smaller ones on the inside, it's more so the larger ones. That one's all set. Now we're going to tackle this one on the upper here. Just be careful with the triggers. Probably be a better idea to remove them, but I can get around it. Again, pushing down on the corner because I want this as flat as possible. Okay. Again, if you look in here, you got a few other solder points. They're optional. I'm just going to do this first smaller one here, and then I'll do these larger ones. The whole design of this is so there was no interference with the magnets and the Hall sensor here. And this one, there's no interference with the sponge. Now you just got to close it up, connect it to the computer, adjust your pots, and you got a basically a brand new stick. Thanks for watching.